Budget phones from Samsung have never offered great value for money. But in 2019, Samsung has decided to change that, beginning with the M series of smartphones. We saw the M10 and M20, and now it's time to take a look at the Galaxy M30, which is the top end model in the M series. In this video, let's unbox it and see what's new about it. Before we begin, let me introduce myself. My name is Ashwin Sundar. This is Technology Jock. Kindly subscribe to the channel and more importantly, hit the bell icon for more videos like this. We have the Galaxy M30 box here. Looks very similar to the M10 and M20 boxes. We have the phone itself, some paperwork including SAR value, a wall charger that supports 15 watts fast charging, a USB Type-C cable, and a SIM ejector pin. Now, unlike for the M10 and M20, Samsung has decided to go with a Super AMOLED panel for the M30. So the display exhibits amazing colors, great contrast, and it also gets quite bright. I believe this can hold up well under the bright sunlight. Samsung calls this the Infinity U display because the dewdrop notch is in the shape of the letter U. The bottom chin is also quite small compared to most phones in this segment. For the back panel, Samsung has gone with a cool looking plastic. That's the trend these days, right? Use plastic but make it look amazing and make it quite durable as well. This is the gradation blue color and it's literally gradating from dark blue to light blue. That seamless transition looks very subtle and really good. I love the design. And yes, what you're seeing at the back is a triple camera setup and a fingerprint scanner, which is both fast and accurate. But it's very flush with the back panel. Your finger can't really feel it and find it. Let's now talk about the internals. The Galaxy M30 sports the same Exynos 7904 chip found inside the M20. We saw the benchmarks, we know where it stands among the competition. It's quite close to Snapdragon 636 in terms of CPU performance, but lags behind in GPU performance. If you want a detailed look at how this chip performs when it comes to gaming, watch my Galaxy M20 review. I have explained the chip's gaming performance in detail. Samsung kind of makes up for it by providing a humongous 5000 mAh battery. And the best thing, there is support for 15 watts fast charging out of the box, and like we saw earlier, that adapter is included in the box. The phone comes in two different variants, one with 4GB RAM, 64GB internal storage, and another with 6GB RAM, 128GB storage. There is also a dedicated slot for micro SD cards. Let's now take a closer look at that triple camera setup. It consists of a 13 megapixel f1.9 camera, a 5 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide angle camera, both of which are found on the Galaxy M20 as well. And then there's a third camera, a 5 megapixel depth sensor. The M20's portrait mode or live focus images were terrible, but this depth sensor can help the M30 capture better portrait mode images. Guys, if you don't understand camera terms like depth of field, aperture, f2.2, dynamic range, etc., then please go here and watch that video. I've explained literally everything in very simple terms. You'll love the video, I guarantee you. Back to the video, there's also a 16 megapixel f2.0 selfie camera on the front. Here are a few more samples. So the camera setup is a bit different from the M20, but sadly, the software is not. The M30 also runs on Samsung Experience 9.5 based on Android 8.1 Oreo. I guess Samsung just wants to differentiate the M series from the A series with a few things, and software turns out to be one of them. All A series phones, including the Galaxy A10, which costs less than 9,000 rupees, run on Samsung's latest One UI based on Android 9 Pie. So this 15,000 rupees phone running on Android 8 is definitely a bit disappointing. And yeah, that's the price of the phone, 15,000 rupees for the 4GB variant. The 6GB RAM variant with 128GB internal storage is priced at 18,000 rupees. I must say Samsung has priced all M series phones quite aggressively, at least compared to those J series phones in the past. Crazy pricing those days. What do you think about this mid-range phone from Samsung? Would you buy this phone for Samsung's brand value, or would you rather buy the Redmi Note 7 Pro with insane specs? Do you want any comparison between them? Tell me everything in the comment section. I'll try to get something done. Hit the thumbs up button if you like the video, subscribe to Technology Jock for more like this, and more importantly, hit the bell icon to stay updated with all my videos. Thanks a lot for watching. This is Ashwin Sundar leaving for the moment. Have a great day.